Hey there, I'm Karen Key Smith, and I'm here with my son, Sheldon Jernigan. Super excited today because we're here to talk to you about our abundant season, our holiday open house on December the 8th. But I'm going to cut right to the chase because one of the people that we're giving our money to, because it's such a cause dear to our hearts, is the Haven House. Sheldon, you want to tell everybody why they should be there to our abundant season and give us some money for the Haven House, why it's so important to us?
Well, I think the Haven House is so important because it directly helps our community right here, all the way from Bay County, all the way to Walton County. And it's such a unique program because they teach you responsibility in that program. You work, you learn how to be a productive member of society again, and you get to work on your drug addiction and any little thing like that and process all that stuff through Christ or through a 12-step program. So it's one of my favorites in the area. It's near and dear to my heart. So y'all come out, give us some money for the Haven House. You won't regret it, I promise.
And why is it so important to our family? It's kind of helped us out, hasn't it?
It helped me. I went to the Haven House as a little boy, and I came out as a man. The reason it's so near and dear to my heart is because I went through that program. I stayed there for 14 months, and it completely changed my life for the better.
And it changed your family's life, thus changing the community. So please come out and visit us on December the 8th from noon to 5 at Top Secret Headquarters. You'll see the address on the screen.